I, Sangam Kumar Shahu, having been appointed Chief Justice of the High Court of Patna, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully
that I will duly and faithfully
and to the best of my ability
and
knowledge
to the best of my ability, knowledge,
and judgment
and judgment
perform the duties of my office
perform the duties of my office
without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws
the Constitution and the laws.
Congratulations. Thank you. Welcome.
माननीय